Experience premium student living at Uncommon Reno, your gateway to comfort and luxury. At the backdrop of vibrant Reno, choose from charming studios or spacious 2 to 4 bedroom apartments, fully furnished with everything you need. Sink into your full-size bed with the cozy memory foam mattress. Perfect for naps or all-night sitcom marathons. Your late-night workouts are covered at the state-of-the-art gym, equipped for all fitness goals. Head up to the sky deck and take in mesmerizing views, melt away exhaustion in the hot tub, or catch a game in the TV lounge. Perfect for relaxed weekends. Challenge your friends at the pool table and unleash your competitive side. Chase academic success at the private study rooms and computer lab with Macs, PCS, and printing. Plus, high-speed Wi-Fi is included in your rent. Perfect for studying, streaming, or FaceTiming home. With the University of Nevada and the National Judicial College in a short distance, there's plenty of time to grab coffee and get to class on time. With N Virginia Street at Planetarium Bus Stop, traveling around the city is a breeze. Book your room at Uncommon Reno in Reno, now with amberstudent.com.